In this video, I will be reviewing Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and how it will help you burn fat and lose weight with ease while you sleep. So make sure you watch the video very well to understand it. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a weight loss formula formulated using some of the secret ingredients sourced from Okinawa, one of the healthiest islands in the world. The tonic contains antioxidants and properties that are potential enough to enhance the metabolism, improve energy, and maintain a healthy inflammation response throughout the day. Unwanted and uncontrolled weight gain is the most common problem among many people across the globe. Unhealthy metabolism being a major cause, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic intends to improve metabolism by increasing fat oxidation and digestion. Weight loss is promoted through healthy digestion. Keep watching this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review to find out more about this supplement that promises to fight weight gain and also acts as a digestive and energy booster. This Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review will answer all your questions and queries about this popular health supplement. I have included the link to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic at an amazing discount in the description below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is an all-natural dietary supplement in powdered form, made from a fine blend of ingredients including plant extracts, vitamins, and minerals combined in a precise ratio to support weight loss and digestion. According to the official website, the unique formula of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for weight loss provides you with powerful antioxidants, digestive support, and metabolic support throughout the day. The formula also helps to balance energy levels and assist a healthy inflammation response. It boasts the presence of powerful antioxidants that prevent the production of harmful free radicals in the body. This helps your immune system fight against cell damage and oxidation. The nutrient complexes are included in this formula to enrich your system with all the necessary elements for sound bodily functions. This supplement helps improve your immunity, energy, and vitality, claims the creator. Who is it Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a formula that blends a multitude of ingredient complexes and helps with many aspects of your health. It has ingredients sourced from trusted growers in their most potent form. This means that you stand to gain the full effect of these blends through the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So, if you have been facing the bad effect that obesity has on your life, you can use this formula. People who have developed diabetes, heart problems, etc., due to overweight can use this supplement to combat all such problems. And even if you are completely healthy, but want to enrich your body with all the necessary nutrients, minerals, and keep yourself looking young and fit, you too can benefit from using this formula. It is compatible with all age groups and also accounts for a variety of body types. This helps you burn up excess body fat even at the ripe age of 70 or 80, and regardless of how much fat you need to lose. I have included the link to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic at an amazing discount in the description below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? The unique formula used in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement comes from Japan. The name of this health supplement is derived from Okinawa, a remote island in Japan, where it is standard practice for doctors to recommend their patients to take a special blend of antioxidant herbs and foods. If you thought that the slim and trim bodies of Japanese people have all to do with genetics, think about sumo wrestlers. They are a testament to the fact that Japanese people can grow big too. So the real reason why most Japanese folks are slim and trim has something to do with their dietary habits and lifestyle. It is no coincidence that Okinawa has almost no cases of diabetes type 2, one of the lowest obesity levels, and also the longest life expectancy in the world. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula that is based on the dietary habits of the people of Okinawa works on the root cause of obesity, an inflammatory protein called CRP, C-reactive protein. CRP blocks the fat-burning hormone adiponectin and damages your mitochondria, which means your body won't be able to break down nutrients into energy. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works by blocking the C-reactive protein and activating the hormone that converts the food you eat to energy, instead of storing it as fat cells. It switches off CRP immediately, which, in turn, activates adiponectin to quickly burn belly fat. What benefits can you expect from Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is not just a supplement for weight loss. A large number of high-quality ingredients ensures that it comes with a wide range of benefits that you can enjoy. Here are some of the major Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic benefits. 1. Weight loss. The most obvious benefit of using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is weight loss. The various ingredients used in the formula work to completely transform your physique with the restoration of a healthy BMI. This helps you live a functional life that is free of health issues. A healthy BMI is also key to thwarting heart problems, stroke, organ failure, diabetes, etc. 2. Digestion. The second obvious benefit of using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is healthy digestion. The unique blend of enzymes in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic helps support your gut health, which will, in turn, improve weight loss. It helps you with your bowel movements and nutrient absorption. This way, you will be full of energy but won't have any residual calories that your body has to store. It helps clean out your stomach of all food intake. This helps remove all toxins and harmful chemicals from the system. It also improves the innermost lining of the large and small intestines to enhance the absorption of broken down nutrients. 3. Metabolism. An added benefit of taking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is that it supports your metabolism, helps increase the oxidation of fat, and supports healthy digestion so that you can go about your day with a clean belly. This helps convert all your caloric intake into the energy that you need. A fast metabolism will also help burn up the existing fat reserves in your body. This is important for getting rid of the fat belly, flabby arms, and love handles. 4. Energize. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic will also help you feel energetic, confident, and revitalized, as the formula includes a powerful blend of antioxidants proven to support healthy inflammation response and balance energy levels. The improved digestive health and accelerated metabolism will ensure that all your body's energy needs are met with your caloric intake. Every last bit of energy will be extracted through digestion and will improve your overall efficiency. This formula also helps with the damage caused to your mitochondrion by the C-reactive protein. This improves the cellular breakdown of nutrients into energy. You will be able to limit yourself to needed portions and nothing more with this formula and yet have bubbling energy and vitality. 5. Cognitive clarity. Since the ingredients used in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement are directly sourced from nature and not just compounds created in a lab, it will give you the worth of every nutrient that these berries and spices contain. As such, you will enjoy a healthier brain and improved focus. Some of these ingredients are known as intelligence and cognitive superfoods. This means that they exponentially improve your brain power, memory, information processing, etc. You will be able to maintain a healthy nervous system capable of fast neurotransmissions. Your reactions and reflexes will get quicker with the use of this formula. 6. Healthier baselines. Various ingredients in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula are known to balance blood sugar and cholesterol levels in the body. As such, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will bring back these levels to healthy ranges. Your fast metabolism will make sure that every bit of your glucose intake as well cholesterol is converted into energy. This helps overcome the fluctuation in the level of blood sugar, cholesterol, etc. 7. Safe and naturally occurring. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made from 100% pure and natural ingredients and is perfectly safe to consume. The ingredients are tested every step of the way to ensure quality and safety. This helps remove all environmental pollutants, contaminants, pathogens, etc., that might be present. Besides, it is made in an FDA-registered premium facility in the USA. So there can be no doubts about quality. I have included the link to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic at an amazing discount in the description below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. What do I like about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? 1. It's a 100% natural formula with effective herbs. 2. Authentic product as it is only available on the official website. 3. Doesn't require you to change your lifestyle. 4. Increases stamina. 5. Secure payment option. 6. 90-day money-back guarantee. What I don't like about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. 1. Not available anywhere except for the official website. 2. Cannot be consumed by pregnant or breastfeeding women. 3. The formula can be used only by those who are over 18 years. 4. Consulting a physician before using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is essential. What is the recommended Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic dosage? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powder you simply mix with water to make a delicious tonic. As recommended by doctors, the ideal dosage is to take 1 scoop, 2,800 milligrams, of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement around 1 hour after a light breakfast or before 10 in the morning, every day. A single bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will last you 30 days. However, do not exceed the daily recommended dosage as the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula is designed with the perfect ratio of ingredients required for the body. Excessive amounts may cause discomfort. How much does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic cost? As per a new special offer, you can now get the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement at discounted rates. A single bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic or a 30-day supply of the supplement now costs just $69 and a small shipping fee. But you can get even bigger discounts if you choose to purchase one of the multi-bottle packages. The 180-day supply of 6 bottles of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes at a total price of $294, which means you get each bottle for as low as $49. On the other hand, the 90-day supply of 3 bottles of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic will cost you a total of $177, which means you will be paying just $59 for each bottle. These 2 packages offer you the best value since it is recommended that you use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement for at least 2 to 3 months for the best results. Here are Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic price details at a glance. 1 bottle for $69 plus small shipping fee 30 days supply. 3 bottles for $177, $59 per bottle, plus free shipping 90 days supply. 6 bottles for $294, $49 per bottle, plus free shipping 180 days supply. I have included the link to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic at an amazing discount in the description below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Where to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The only place you can buy the original Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the official website. The website is easy to navigate and you can order the health supplement in just a few clicks. The billing portals are completely safe and secure. And once you make the payment for your purchase, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will arrive at your doorstep. However, be aware that there could be many fake websites on the internet that are trying to make a profit by selling products with the same or similar names. Some of them even claim to offer the same results as the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. These are false claims. These websites are created with the sole intention of luring in unsuspecting customers and stealing money out of their pockets. So, you will do well to make sure you purchase the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement only from the official website. You can use the link that I have shared with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review to buy the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement directly from the official website. Just to be sure, check the description below. Is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic legit? Hundreds of customers, especially those struggling with obesity and those over the age of 50, seem to have benefited from taking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement. So surely Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is legit. The user reviews reflect the opinion that its results are genuine. They say these last long too. Some users are even ecstatic in recommending this formula to most of their peers and family members. They stand testament to the legitimacy of this formula too. Besides, the creator of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is also offering a 90-day 100% money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This confidence all but attests to the legitimacy of the supplement. If you are someone suffering from weight loss issues or digestive disorders, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic might well be the solution you have been looking for. If you are struggling with blood sugar and cholesterol levels and are constantly feeling fatigued, it could help you with that too. As I have already mentioned in this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is considered to be a highly effective dietary supplement that can fight the buildup with its unique blend of ingredients. It is all natural, clinically tested to be safe, and is reported to have no side effects. Unlike other weight loss supplements in the market that work to suppress symptoms, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement targets the root cause by blocking C-reactive proteins and thus offering a long-term solution. Besides, there are zero risks involved as you are covered by a 90-day 100% money-back guarantee. So Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is surely worth a try. I have included the link to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic at an amazing discount in the description below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. If you feel like the video helped you out and you want to return the favor, this is a great way to spread the love, and we appreciate it.